Today we will start chapter 4 review, and this is very important for the chapter because this chapter is a very important chapter. Okay, so let me show you what is this, but I want you to open your books with me. Page, okay, this is the page.
Teacher, 190, 190, 191.
Okay, thank you.
Teacher,
Yes,
I'm sorry to interrupt
yes.
you, but can I eat my medicine?
Yes, you can take your medicine now.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Okay, go ahead, everyone. Open your books, page 190. And let's go through these pages and I'll tell you what we have here. Of course, this thing is very important for you, the graphic organizer. I want you to do it by yourself. Read it by yourself. And this is important for you to understand the meaning and how to solve it and how to create problems or to do it in real life problems. So this is very important. I will not do it with you. You can do it by yourselves. Okay. Now, the chapter self-assessment. This part is for you. You do it by yourself, and you have steps in this. When you start, you may not understand. I don't know it well, but I will try. Then you can get help. Oh, if you cannot solve something, any question here, you can send it to me in WhatsApp. You can search for the answer in the previous sessions, the recorded sessions on Classera. And after that, you'll be able to solve it by yourself. And the top of the pyramid here is you can explain yourself. You can teach anyone else. So when I ask you to answer a question, you will be able to explain to us your idea. You explain to us how to solve it. So this assessment is for you, my heroes. I want you to solve it, inshallah. You can solve it in portions. You don't need to do it all in one day because it's big. It's we have many questions.
I'm going to take on the challenge.
Yes. Okay. And this part is what we are doing today, the practice test. So I will solve this with you now, the practice test. So now, everyone go to this page, page 194. The practice test is 22 questions, and we'll start it today. We have tomorrow also, so we will complete it tomorrow, inshallah. Okay, let's start. Hamad?
Yes?
Okay, just a second, Hamad. Before we start, guys, you need a piece of paper. So get a notebook near you. Get a notebook near you. You should write. You need to write with me. So get ready with a paper and pencil. You should write. Okay? Okay, go ahead, Hamad. Hamad.
Yes?
Okay, the first question. Would you please read the question, the head of the question first?
Mr.
Yes, I'm listening.
Teacher, it says it's connecting.
Do you see my screen?
No.
Okay, Hamad, try to rejoin. Go out, then join again. Okay? When you come back, tell me. Khalil? Khalil? Rawi? Rawi?
Mister, now I can.
Okay, Hamad, go ahead.
Write a fraction or mixed number as a percent.
Great, let's start the first one.
21 over 25.
Mm-hmm. Yes, we have the denominator 25, right?
Mr. Rawi, my name, I was in the bathroom.
Okay, Rawi. But now Hamad is answering this question. Okay, Hamad, go ahead.
You multiply 25 by 4 to be 100.
Great.
So you multiply 21 by 4. And 21 is 4.
Is what?
84.
Great.
This is your percent.
Yes, so it's 84%. Thank you, my hero. Okay, let's move to the second question. Rawi?
Yes, mister.
Okay, the second question is also the same. We need to write 17 over 20. Go ahead.
We multiply 20 by 5, it will be 100.
Great.
And also 17.
Okay, 17 times 5.
17 times 5. It's 81, mister.
17 times 5 equals 81? No. Multiply it 7 times 5 first.
7 times 5 equals 34.
35. So 5 and carry up 3. And 1 times 5?
1 times 5, 4.
Plus 3?
Plus 8.
So 85. Okay, so what is the percent?
0.85.
We need to write it as percent, not decimal.
Okay, 85%.
85%. Okay, thank you, my hero. And the third question?
Did it too many what?
No, one, and you don't need to ask this question. If I call you not your name, I will call you again.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Hashim? 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 Kareem? Kareem?
Yes, I'm Kareem. I'm here.
Okay, Kareem. 1 and 2/5. We need to write this as... we need to write it as percent. Go ahead.
Multiply it.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes, my hero, I'm listening.
25 by...
Multiplied by what?
Hello?
By what?
By 5.
You multiply the 5 by what number to get 100?
5 multiply...
20.
Multiply by 20. 5 multiply 20. And 2 multiply...
Okay,
20.
go ahead. So don't forget to write the whole one.
Yes.
Okay, we have the denominator 100.
20. And 2 multiply 20 is...
Yes? 2 times 2 is...
It's 4 and 0.
Yes,
4.
exactly. Now, let's rewrite it as a fraction. It's a mixed number. We need to write it as a fraction. 1 times 100 is 100 plus 40, so it's 140.
40.
Okay, so what is the percent?
140%.
Excellent, my hero. Great work. Okay, so this was question number 3. Now let's move to question number 4. In question number 4, we need to write the number, the decimal, as a percent. So we're doing the same, but this time these are decimals. Okay, I'll continue with this page. Ali?
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Okay, go ahead. Question number 4.
I don't see it.
It's 0.42. We need it as a percent. Go ahead.
The point
Yes, we move the point to
turn for the right.
to the right 2 digits. So it will be
42%.
excellent point here. Thank you. Okay, question number 5. Faris? Mana? Muhammad Qasim?
Yes.
Okay, Muhammad, question number 5.
Okay.
It's what is question number 5? 7.88, right?
7.8. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, 7.88 equals.
We move the decimal point to the right.
Well, yeah. We'll put it right.
So it will be
It will be 78.
Do we have point here?
788.
Yes,
Yes,
788%. Okay, thank you. Great work. Nasrallah?
Yes, mister.
Okay, go ahead. Question number 8. Sorry, question number 6. What? Any problems?
Give me a minute, only.
I don't have a minute. You should go ahead.
Me, teacher Saada, can I answer?
Nasrallah?
Hello, mister.
Yes, Nasrallah, go ahead. Quickly,
The
Nasrallah.
decimal point, we will
Yes?
move
Move
it
it.
two times.
Okay, so it will be
5,000.
okay, these are the numbers here, the digits. Where should I put the decimal point?
Between the 8 and the 5.
Here?
Yeah.
So it's 58 and 54 hundredths. And we should write percent. Thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay, now my heroes, let's move to the next question. In the next question, I'm calling the names. You don't need to ask this question. In the next question, we need to write the percent as a fraction in the simplest form and a decimal. And as a decimal. Okay, let's go ahead. I will move this down to the next page. And I will write here the answer of question number 7. Okay. Fahad?
Yes, teacher.
This is Fahad?
Yes, I am Fahad Mustafa.
Okay, question number 7, Fahad. The percent is 0.96%. Okay, we need to write it as a fraction and as a decimal. Let's go ahead. As a fraction.
Okay, Mister. It is.
You should write the number, and the denominator is 100.
0.
Yes,
0, Mister. Point 0.
0.96 over.
No, Mister.
Okay, now we need to simplify this.
Multiply it.
What? We'll multiply it by 100, right? Okay, so it will be in the top here, 96, and down it will be how many zeros down?
40.
Okay, now let's divide. You can divide by, in fact, we can divide by 8. Yes, I'll tell you why. Because 96 can be divided by 8. If you divide 96 by 8, you get by 8. Yes, you can divide by 16 also. Okay, but let's do it step by step. Let's take it step by step. How would you like to start? If we divide 96 by 8, it will be 12. Okay, so and if we divide 10,000 by 8, 1,000 divided by 8, remember, 8 times 625 equals 1,000. Okay, so we can divide this number by 8 and we get 625. Sorry, 125. Sorry. Just a second, I did it wrong. This is 125, not 600. I'm sorry. Okay. So let's do it. And we can divide by 16 also. But we can do it step by step. Let's do it. Okay, so we have here in the top 12 and down 125 and 10. Okay, now let's divide by 2 one more time because we can divide by 2.
Yeah.
12 divided 2.
12.
What? 12 divided 2 equals what? Fad, I cannot hear you well. Okay, and here 12 divided 2 equals 6. And 5 divided 2. 5 divided 2 equals 2, and the remainder is 1.
Mister.
So it's 10 divided 2 equals 5. So this is the simplest form.
Do you hear?
Yes, I hear you, Fahad.
Do you hear me?
You may have a problem with your mic, Fahad. Please try to solve it, and you will share, inshallah, with the next sessions. Thank you, Fahad.
Okay.
Okay, now we need to write it as a decimal. Okay, I need someone else. Ali Maray? Ali Maray?
Yes.
I need the same number, Ali, as a decimal. The same person, write it as a decimal.
Where?
As a decimal, this person as a decimal.
Okay.
Go ahead.
0.9.
You will. Okay. Let's remember what we were doing. We should remove or cancel the percent sign and move the point to the left 2 digits. Right?
Right.
Okay, let's move it. But we have only 1 digit here, so we need another 0 here. So what should be the number now?
0.0
We have
9,
two zeros
6.
here. 2 zeros.
Yes, I said it. 2 zeros.
So 0.0096. Okay, Ali?
Okay.
Thank you, Ali. And let's move to the next question. Sad?
Yes, teacher.
In the next question, it's 65%.
Teacher, I have a question, teacher. This question, can you, I don't understand it.
Okay, now you will solve the same question. Question number 8.
Okay.
The same. Go ahead. As a fraction first.
It will be 65 over 100.
Great. And now you need to simplify. Okay, I see that you can divide by 5.
Okay, I divide by 5.
Okay,
100 divided by 5, it's 20. And 65 divided by 5 equal 13.
Great. And 13 is a prime number. So this is the simplest form. Now we need to write 65% as a decimal.
How I write it as a decimal?
Okay, you should remove or cancel the decimal, the percent sign first,
Okay.
and move the point to the left 2 digits. Where is the point?
We didn't
It's
we
here.
didn't we didn't have
Yes,
a
when we
point.
don't have a point, it's to the far right, to the right.
Okay.
And let's move it 2 digits. So it will be
0.65.
Okay, thank you, Saad. Great work, my hero.
You're
That's
welcome.
it. Do you have any problems now?
No, thank you. I understand.
Okay. Now the next question also we will do the same. Oh, sorry. Question number 9. The number is 25.7%. Okay. Muhammad Dosari,
As Mr.
go ahead.
Okay, first of all, we'll delete the percent.
Great. Okay, you will write it as a fraction, remember, huh?
Yes, I know.
Okay.
We'll delete the percent.
Okay.
Then with the percent, we're gonna go 2 times.
This is as a decimal. Okay. You want to start... I need to start first with the fraction.
Yes.
Okay,
We're
start
gonna
with the
put
fraction
down
first.
100.
Yes. Okay, let's fix
Down,
it.
we're gonna put 100.
And in the top, in the numerator?
And the numerator, we're gonna put 200. 50,
Will you remove the point?
0.7.
Yes,
257.7.
25.7. Okay. Now you need to fix it. You have a point in the numerator.
We're gonna go to the right 2 times.
1. Why 2? It's only 1.
Okay.
So you need to multiply by 10 only.
Yes.
Okay, when you multiply by 10, it will be?
It's 2,570.
Why? You moved the point only 1 digit. 257 only.
It will be 257.
And down?
And
you will add a
100.
0. Focus, Muhammad. You will add a 0. It will be 1000. Now, let's see. Can we divide by any number? Can you divide by 2?
I think so.
Yes, you can divide by 2?
No.
This is 7. It's odd number. No, you cannot divide by 2.
No.
If you cannot divide by 2, So you cannot divide by 2, and you cannot divide by 4, you cannot divide by 8, and you cannot divide by 16. So this is the first thing. Now, can you divide by 5?
No.
No. So if you cannot divide by 5, you cannot divide by 20, 50, and 50 and 500 and so on. And also you cannot divide by 25, you cannot divide by 125, and you cannot divide by 625.
So
Okay.
it's just the
Now,
same number we're gonna put.
yes, we don't have any number that we can divide by.
Yes, it's the same, 257.
Yes, so this is the simplest form. Now, let's do it as a decimal.
Okay.
Go ahead, cancel or remove the percent sign and move the decimal point to. Yes, Muhammad.
Yes, okay. So it will be this 0.257.
0.257, this number. Yes, of course, we move it 2 digits, so it will be 0.257. Thank you, Muhammad. Great work.
Oh,
And now let's move down to the next question. And the next question, tell which number is greater. Okay. Muhammad Bilal.
teacher.
Okay, Muhammad. And I will write it here so we can do it free without lacking of space. It's question number 10. And what number are we comparing again?
Teacher Ibrahim, can I say something?
Okay, Ibrahim, would you please wait till we finish this question? Muhammad, go ahead. Muhammad Bilal.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
What is the two numbers again?
I don't remember.
Look at the book.
The what, mister?
Okay, 16 over 25 and 65%. Okay, 16 over 25 and 65%. Go ahead, Muhammad.
Okay.
One of the ways that you can use is rewriting this fraction as a percent.
As a percent, okay. Multiply by 4 each number.
Okay, let's multiply it by 4. It will be
64 over 100.
64 over 100. Okay.
The greater.
Oh, as a percent first. Okay.
64%.
So now, this is the first number, and this is the second number. What should I write? Greater than or less than?
65 is the greater.
So less than.
Yes.
Yes, thank you, Muhammad. Great work. And let's do the next question. It's 11.
Mister,
Yes.
11 is the tricky one.
Okay, we will solve it now. And Khalil? Khalil? Faris?
Yes, mister.
Okay, Khalil, you are here. Go ahead. The numbers are 56% and 5.6. Okay. Khalil, go ahead. Khalil, I cannot hear you. Can you hear me? Oh, Khalil, maybe you have a problem with your mic. Faris? Mana?
Teacher, do you call my name? I am Kareem.
Faris? Mana? Hashim? Ali Ali? Mustafa?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Mustafa, go ahead.
Okay, question
11.
Order. Question 11. Which is greater?
Yes.
Can you hear me, teacher?
Yes, I can. Go ahead. I'm listening. Go ahead. What do you want to do? Do you want to rewrite the decimal as a percent or rewrite the percent as a decimal?
A decimal as a percent.
Okay, so you will 5.6. Go ahead.
We will make the decimal points to the right 2 times.
Okay, we will move
1
it
time.
2 times to the right.
Time.
So we need a 0 here, right?
Yes.
And it will be 560. What?
Excellent.
Yes. Okay, now the two numbers are here, and what is the sign?
To the
Greater than or less than?
5.6.
We say it less than. We read it less than, okay?
Yes, 52.
So 56% is less than 5.6. Great work, Mustafa. Thank you. Okay. Any problems, my heroes? I hope you write everything. You need it.
Teacher, do we have quizzes?
No, today, no. Okay, now to the next question. We need to order the numbers from least to greatest. This is question number 12. And I need a star to help me with this question to do it quickly. Ibrahim.
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead. Give me the numbers first.
Wait, I didn't open the book.
Oh, Ibrahim,
No,
quickly.
I didn't open the book like the entire session.
I called you because I want to do it quickly.
Okay, just a minute. Let me just put it. I'm gonna put it as fast as I can.
Okay, 85, 7/10. Okay, nice.
Question 12.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Order the numbers from least to greatest.
Okay.
85%.
Okay.
7 out of 10, 0.74, and 4 over 5.
Okay, 7/10 and what? 0.74.
0.74 and 4 over 5.
4/5. Okay. Okay, go ahead. How would you like to do this?
First of all, first you have to make them all percent.
Okay, let's do it. So let's start.
First, 85% is already percentage. 7 out of 10, which is 70%.
Great.
0.74, 74%.
Yes.
And 4 over 5, which is 80%.
Okay, let us explain to your friends how we get the 80.
We multiply each side by 20. Because 5 times 20 equals 100.
Excellent.
And the same with 7 over 10. We multiply each side by 10.
Okay, just give me a second to write everything because I want everyone to be able to do it. So here we multiplied by 10. Okay, now everything is clear. Let's do the order.
So 70%, 74%, 80%, 85%.
Wait, not that fast. Give me enough time to write it.
Sorry.
Okay, let's use, red. Okay, blue.
The first of all is 70%.
We need it from least to greatest, right?
Least to greatest.
Okay,
yes,
go
least
ahead.
to greatest. 70%.
But we cannot write it 70%. We will write?
7 over 10.
Okay.
0.74.
So we took this one. 0.74. Okay, we took this one.
And then 4/5.
Then 4/5. Okay, so the remaining
And
one
then that's
is
about 85%.
85%. Thank you, Ibrahim. Great work, my hero. I like your work.
You're welcome.
Okay.
The session ended 1 minute ago.
Yes. Okay, we will stop here and we will continue tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you, everyone. This is the end of our session. See you and goodbye.
Mister, this session was easy. This session was easy.
Great.
Than yesterday.
Great.
The session that yesterday and after yesterday was so hard.
Nothing is hard. We'll see it, inshallah. Next session, we will see more questions. Goodbye.
Bye.